Welcome to Parents and Teacher Working Together. My name is Karen. I'm the CEO of Manthano Children's Ministry Training, and I'm here to talk to you about a curriculum we've designed, Manthano Curriculum, to support children between the ages of 1 to 12 years old. As a parent, as well as a teacher of a children's ministry, I'm sure like me, you're looking for creative ways to help nurture the children's faith. That's why we have designed this curriculum. And one thing I have come to understand as a curriculum developer for over 14 years is how this opportunity is giving me the opportunity to truly learn about the faith development of children. For instance, when we look at the faith development of children between the ages of 0 to 5 years, you find that faith is not really a thought out set of ideas, but instead it's a set of impressions that are largely gained from their parents or other significant adults in their lives. Children's faith development is mainly as a result of what they see or experience by those around them. For a child that is between the ages of 7 to 12, their source of religious authority starts to expand past parents and trusted adults to others in the community, such as they learn about other people's beliefs through the internet, through films, through friends, or even teachers. And so they need those opportunities to critically think and discuss about what's in their heart. Like the previous stage, faith is something to be experienced. Faith becomes the stories and rituals that are practiced. That is why these lesson plans have been designed with images drawn from stories to help the younger children learn what other people's experience has been and understand the consequences of other people's choices. In that way, they can identify what's going on in their lives and then be able to relate that to another character and then understand what the Bible is really trying to say. And for the older ones, the young adults, we've created a number of stories drawn from the Bible to help them experience and explore faith. We've provided opportunities for them to discuss and talk about what's really going on with them and how the Bible relates to what they're going through, so that children don't only have a head knowledge of the Bible, but they have a heart knowledge too. They're able to connect with God in a heartfelt relationship. So by giving preschoolers, children and young adults the opportunity to critically reflect on anything that's being taught and to be able to safely ask those why questions without feeling condemned, that's what creates those opportunities to believe. Now, my children go to Sunday school and they've been doing that from way as long as the Sunday school allowed them to come in. But I know that that's not enough. Listening to teachers or watching video clips from the Bible is really, really not enough to help your child, help nurture and support your child's faith. They need to have those times where you and your child can discuss. That's why we've created these Manthano lesson plans. We wanted to be able to reach your children at home as well as in church. These lessons were created to help children in their relationship with Jesus. Children will discover how to use these lessons to deal with real life issues and build faith that transforms heart. We want to empower courageous kids by providing lessons that guide children, parents, and teachers through meaningful experiences and discussions. The lessons are fun and entertaining as they do activities and game sessions throughout the lesson. Children are encouraged to open the Bibles for themselves, participate in interactive Bible learning. and take-home sheets and take-home challenges that they can do by themselves or with the parents too. To get these lesson plans, all you need to do is to go onto our website www.manthano.co.uk/curriculum and subscribe. By providing us with an email address, we will send you on a weekly basis the lesson plans that you and your child can explore. And we really do look forward to the feedback we've got various churches that are already subscribed and are using our lesson plans, and the feedback has been very encouraging, and we can't wait to hear about you and your child's experiences as you explore these lesson plans. So thank you for your time, and God bless.